Did you know that on average, your customers spend more time online than they do at work every single week? Your customers are online. Your business needs to be too. Businesses have always used advertising like television, billboards and radio to reach their customers. Today, there is another opportunity: digital. With digital advertising, target your customers more precisely than ever before. Advertise to a specific demographic, those searching for your services, or those who visit your business. You can even target your competitors' customers. The best part? You can see your marketing dollars at work. Reports will show you who views, clicks, and engages with your ads. Tracking that finally provides the measurable return on investment you crave. Target customers where they spend the most time. Start digital advertising today.